Boost liver health naturally. 5 foods to protect your liver. The liver, a vital organ responsible for detoxification and metabolism, plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. Unfortunately, modern lifestyles and various factors can lead to liver damage, which can have serious consequences. However, there are ways to protect and support the liver, including consuming liver-boosting foods. In this comprehensive article, we will explore both aspects: the foods that promote liver health, common causes of liver damage, and how to recognize the signs and symptoms associated with liver dysfunction. Protect your liver with these liver-boosting foods. Leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in chlorophyll and antioxidants, which aid in flushing out toxins from the liver and reducing inflammation. Cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli and Brussels sprouts, contain compounds like sulforaphane, known for their liver protective properties. Turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, possesses powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies show that curcumin can protect the liver from injury and promote liver repair. Berries. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins and vitamin C, which combat oxidative stress and promote liver health. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and protect against fatty liver disease. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins, antioxidants known for their liver protective properties, and can aid in weight management, which is crucial for a healthy liver. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and plant-based proteins, which support liver function and prevent oxidative damage. Understanding common causes of liver damage. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is a leading cause of liver damage, leading to alcoholic liver disease, including fatty liver, alcoholic hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. NAFLD occurs due to excess fat accumulation in the liver, often associated with obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome. Hepatitis. Viral hepatitis, particularly hepatitis B, C, and D, causes inflammation and damage to the liver. Medications. Certain medications, including acetaminophen, paracetamol, when taken excessively, can be toxic to the liver. Autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune hepatitis, primary biliary cirrhosis, and primary sclerosing cholangitis are autoimmune diseases that cause inflammation and damage to the liver. Infections. Infections such as malaria, leptospirosis, and cytomegalovirus can lead to liver damage. Genetics. Genetic conditions like hemochromatosis and Wilson's disease can cause liver damage. Obesity. Obesity and related conditions like type 2 diabetes increase the risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Exposure to toxins. Prolonged exposure to environmental toxins, chemicals, pesticides, and heavy metals can harm the liver. Gallstones. Gallstones can block the bile ducts, leading to inflammation and liver damage. Recognizing signs and symptoms of liver damage. Jaundice, yellowing of the skin and eyes due to elevated bilirubin levels. Fatigue and weakness, feeling constantly tired and weak due to the liver's inability to store and release glucose for energy. Abdominal pain and swelling, pain and discomfort in the upper right side of the abdomen, along with abdominal swelling, ascites, due to fluid accumulation. Loss of appetite and weight loss, reduced appetite and unintentional weight loss. Nausea and vomiting, gastrointestinal symptoms such as nausea and vomiting. Dark urine, urine appears darker than usual due to excess bilirubin. Pale-colored stools, stools become light or clay-colored due to decreased bile production. Itchy skin, buildup of bile acids in the skin, leading to itchiness. Spider angiomas, tiny, spider-like blood vessels on the skin due to liver damage. Easy bruising and bleeding, impaired liver function affects clotting factors, leading to easy bruising and bleeding. Mental confusion or disorientation, buildup of toxins affecting brain function, leading to confusion or difficulty concentrating.
Swelling in the legs and ankles, fluid retention in the legs and ankles due to liver dysfunction.
Protecting and supporting your liver is vital for overall health and well-being. By understanding the common causes of liver damage and adopting a healthy lifestyle, including consuming liver-boosting foods, you can take proactive steps to safeguard your liver health. Recognizing the signs and symptoms associated with liver dysfunction is equally important for early detection and appropriate medical intervention. Prioritize your liver health now to enjoy a healthier and happier future. If you suspect liver damage or have risk factors, consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance. Remember, your liver's health is in your hands.